On this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps. Now you have to wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find the Snapchat app, click on it, and now on this page all what you want to do is click on this storage option. Now right here all what you want to do is click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on data usage, and make sure to enable all these options right here. And after that all what you want to do is go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.